Hey guys, this is an update plus a warning for those of you thinking about or have already Adobe tutorials in your channel. Well, at the moment I did everything I could. So in order to remove these 2 copyright strikes that I got, I did go on an email, however got no response. So what I had to do was actually get in contact with Adobe directly. Now, Adobe right now hired a third-party company to send out these strikes. So that company is basically, they just won't say anything back to you, they just want your videos out. And they don't really care if they shut down your channel. So what I did was try to communicate with Adobe in order to get their permission, and maybe that way I can actually counter their notification. However, once I got in contact with Adobe, after a few weeks finally getting in contact with somebody in the upper level of Adobe, they told me that they were sending out strikes to everyone that has any Adobe content on YouTube. So it doesn't matter what the video is about, as long as it's Adobe itself, then they're gonna send you out a notification, a strike. So that means it could be a simple tutorial of how to do something using Adobe Illustrator, for example. They can still send you that strike. Can you do something about it? As far as I can see so far, no, I haven't been able to do a counter notification. I haven't really got anywhere by sending out email to the person, the company who's in charge of sending out these notifications. And as far as YouTube goes, I did contact them, and finally, after weeks and weeks of trying to get through to them, they actually replied something useful, which was that they actually set up a system for these bigger companies or corporations to take down your videos. So even if they are in private, because that's what I did. The very first thing I did was put all my videos about Adobe in private mode right now until this gets resolved. However, they told me that I can't get a strike because although they're private, they do set up a system for these bigger companies in order to take down our videos, even if they are unlisted or even set as private. So yes, companies have that power to find your video, even if it's not really, even if it's kind of hidden by putting private, or even unlisted, which is also kind of hidden. So if you guys got a strike already or thinking about making tutorials about Adobe on YouTube, don't do it. It seems like Adobe is going after everybody. So the very first thing that I did, also obviously canceling my Adobe account because it does not make sense what they're doing. But then again, the only conclusion I can take from this is that Adobe doesn't want any tutorials for free on YouTube. They probably have their own connections with their own tutorials with other companies. So maybe that's why they're trying to take down everything from YouTube, so people have to pay to get those tutorials from other companies. So that's my only logical conclusion to Adobe doing this. So once again, I did contact Adobe, and that's where the higher ups told me that they were sending out these strikes to everybody and every video that has Adobe in it. Now that said, I have a ton of videos on Adobe. Right now they're set in private mode. However, I will be deleting those because I can't just afford to take another strike at this point. I already have 2 strikes. Third strike, that means my channel will be shut down forever. So it's pretty sad to say, but this channel will no longer have any Adobe content. I might, once I get just up to 1 strike and the other strike expires, maybe I will play just with 1 or 2 videos that I've made and helped so many people with those tutorials. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.